Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A4 B8 mirror. First, gather your tools, including a plastic trim removal tool and a small flathead screwdriver. Ensure your vehicle is parked safely and the ignition is off. This process focuses on the mirror glass itself, not the entire mirror housing. We'll walk through each step carefully to help you complete the task efficiently and without damage. Before you begin, make sure you have the right tools. A plastic trim removal tool is crucial to avoid scratching your paint or mirror housing. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver for gently prying clips. Always wear safety gloves to protect your hands from sharp edges or unexpected slips. Working in a well-lit area will make the entire process much easier and safer. To detach the mirror glass, first adjust the mirror so the top or bottom edge is angled furthest out, creating a gap. Carefully insert your plastic trim tool into this gap. Locate the clips, usually 2 or 3, holding the mirror glass to the motor assembly. Gently pry each clip until the glass releases. Once loose, carefully disconnect the 2 electrical connectors for heating and dimming functions. When reassembling, first reconnect the 2 electrical wires to the back of the mirror glass, ensuring they are secure. Then, align the mirror glass with the motor assembly, making sure the clips are properly positioned. Apply firm, even pressure to the center of the glass until you hear it click securely into place. Finally, test the mirror's adjustment functions and, if applicable, the heating element to confirm everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.